Hey guys, today I'm going to unboxing Toshiba Canvio Advanced 2TB external hard drive. It cost me $65. Cardboards. Again cardboards. A warranty statement and manuals. It comes with USB 3.2 Gen 1, Type A to Micro B. Here we go, we have a Toshiba Canvio Advanced hard drive. Come on. It's quite heavy, and stylish texture looks great. I selected red color, because it looks great in red. I'll give the review after I use it. Thanks for watching the video till end. Hope you guys do like it. Stay home, stay safe.